channel called JMcubes. So I just started solving these puzzles for 2 weeks now, and it's really fun. So this is my only one, which is Rubik's Brand 3x3. I had a 4x4 but exploded, so we returned that and got the money back. And Rubik's isn't the best brand. It's good for beginners, so if you're just started, I recommend it for you. And you could also lubricate it to make it a bit faster. This one isn't lubricated, but you could always do that. And before you start solving the cubes, this is something you need to remember. First thing is the opposites of colors. So white. Wait, before I start telling them how I remember them, they're always similar colors. So the opposite of white is yellow. Opposite is blue is green. Opposite of orange is red. So you need to know that. Next thing you need to know is the types of pieces and what they're called. So the middle piece is obviously called the middle. These pieces are edge pieces. Outer pieces, which are these, are called corner pieces. I'm back. So now what our goal is to get a white cross. So what we have to do, well, before I tell you that, this is not a normal method. This is my own method that I made up called the JM method, because that's my channel name. So what you have to do is, instead of solving it for the white cross on the white side, you want to solve on the yellow side. So you need all 4 corner pieces. So one corner piece is already there, so I need the 4 other ones. So which is right here. So now I got 2. Look around right here. I got 3. And my last one that needs to go there is right here. So that needs to go right there. So I'm going to flick it to the side. Bring it up. Over there, bring it up. So now once you got that 4 edge pieces on the yellow side, so what you need to do is choose a yellow piece that's on the yellow side. So I'm going to choose this piece. So since it's white, you look on the other color on it, which is green. So you need to match it up with the blue middle. So you flip the top layer to the green. So now how you see there's white, green, green. Once you do that, you flick it to the left. So you basically do this. And then now it's at the bottom, matched up with the white. So now it's white, white, green, green. So you do it with other pieces, which are here. Blue, blue, it's already matched up. Do that, now it's there. Blue, blue. And this piece is messed up. Get another one, which is orange. Match it up with the orange middle. Flick it to the side twice. Now it's at the bottom, orange, orange. For the last piece, it's already matched up, so you flick it to the side. Now it's there. So now you have the white cross in the right places. So our next goal is to get the whole yellow side in the right places. So what we need to do is find a white corner that's at the bottom layer. So right here. So you look at it, it's white, and you look at the other colors. So white, orange, blue. So this one piece is white, orange, blue. So remember that piece. You can even put your finger on it. Then you look for white, orange, blue. So white, orange, blue. So that means it goes right here. So when you line it up, so that piece needs to go right here. So it has to be right under it. Then you flick it to the side. Then flip the piece down so it's out of the way, and flick it back up. So now it's orange, 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 blue, blue. Now do it to the next piece, which is nowhere. So none, when it's not at, when there's none at the last layers, so there might be one at the top layer, which is right there. So all you have to do is flick it down, flick it that way, back up, and now it's at the bottom layer. You look at it, white, red, green, so that means you need to find it. So white, red, green. So that goes here. So it's already matched up. Side, down, other side, and then up. So now it's red, green, green. Look for another one with just top layer. Do the same thing. Oh, sorry, I put it in the wrong place. So you go to this one. And if it's at this side, and then you flick it to the opposite side, down, side up. Like that. From the last piece, which is right there, so that goes there. So now the whole white side is solved, plus the first layer. So the whole first layer is done. See how it's first layer, and it's red, blue, orange, orange. Here our first algorithm is. Since we need to solve the second layer, so it's all matched up, what we have to do is do this algorithm. So you look at the yellow side and see if there's any pieces that don't have yellow on the yellow side and the third layer, which means that's the third layer. So let's see this piece, red, but there's a yellow attached to it, so that can't happen. But this piece, which is red, is blue. Say if it's over here, you need to look at the third layer corner. Then you find it and match it up with the center. That's that color, which is blue. So I'll switch it to here, and then you do and then you look for the piece that's on the yellow layer, which is the red. So you look here, but that's not red. That's orange. So you look the other way. That's red. So that means you need to go here. So the algorithm is U R U I R I U I F I U F. So now it's there. So you do the same thing. So look at it. You look at this piece, which is blue because it has no yellow, and then it's orange, which is here. You do the same algorithm. Then it's right there. Do it again. And then you do it one more time. But this time, it doesn't go that way. It needs to go that way. So that problem is no problem. It's just a different algorithm. So this time, if you want that piece to go there, it's UI, LI, U, L, U, F, UI, FI. So now the whole first layer and second layer is done. Step is to get the yellow cross, which should be all the yellow corners and the middle piece. So the first step is we look at it at the yellow side. If it has one yellow, this is what you do. It's right there. So you do F R U R I U I F I, and then it should look like this. Which is an L. See how it's an L? So the L can't be like this, or this, or this. Has to be up here, at the left corner. And so when you get that, you would do F. Oh, sorry. So you would do F R U R I U I R I. And then it should look like a line. And what you do from there is the exact same thing. R U R I U I F I. So now it has the 4 crosses. So it's super close, so you don't want to mess up. See this algorithm at top? R-U-R-I-U-R-U-2-R-I. You want to keep on messing with that until you get a pattern like this, with the dot in the middle. So you're lining up like so it's at the bottom left, and do the algorithm a few more times. And then the yellow side soft. Yeah. So now you really don't want to mess up because there's only 1 or 2 more steps. If you're lucky, 1, but usually you would have 2. So you would do this algorithm, which is R-I, F, R-I, B2, R, F-I, R-I, B2, R-I, U-I. So let's do that. Now it's like this. Blue side solved, white side solved, and yellow side solved. So I might not do that, so you might have to do it a few times before it looks like this. But once you get it like this, then you're on to the next step. 1 more step. So you extremely don't want to mess up, or you might have to start all this over again. So now you need to listen. So don't start it yet unless you know for sure if it's like this. So you want to get the side that's solved away from you. So you want the closest sides there, there, and there. And the farthest side at the back. So then you need to see what color you need to switch. So if your color goes like this, that green needs to go here, and the orange needs to go there, and the red needs to go there. And then you would do that algorithm, which is F2, U, L, R, I, F2, L, I, R, U, F2. But if there is a green here, and so you need to go there, and there's a red there, which you need to go there, then you would do the bottom one, which is F2, U, I, L, R, I, F2, L, I, R, U, I, F2. So I have to go to the top because I have to go that way, because my, wait, what the, maybe not, I actually, oh, never mind, yeah. Never mind, I actually have to do the bottom one, because my orange has to go there, so it's going that way. So I'm doing the bottom. So I'll make sure the blue's at the back, fully soft colors at the back. Then you start doing it. R2. I'm having a brain fart. UI. L. RI. F2. LI. R. UI. F2. So now you solve the Rubik's Cube, and you probably feel super excited. And please leave some comments below, subscribe, or like this video. Share with your friends, and hope you enjoyed this video. See you later in my next video, because I might do some unboxing, because I have ordered 7 new Rubik's Cubes. So I'm really excited for that. Then I can do speed contests with you. Yeah, it's going to be really fun. Thanks for watching.